Straight from Niko's top-secret radio control test facility, Niko gives you a path to off-road adventure. Gear up for all-terrain action with Velocitrax. Fast, fierce, and ready for adventure. Watch the 360-degree spins. Can you master it? Yeah. Go ahead, test the limits. Will Velocitrax pass your test? Of course, it's a Niko.
Disfruta controlando desde tu tablet o tu móvil vuestro Range Rover Radiocontrol Feber. Con la tecnología Feber, ahora podéis disfrutar compartiendo vuestro Range Rover Radiocontrol. It's Feber. It's better.
It's Dragon Flyer! Now you can fly your very own dragon! With its stabilizer bar, you can maintain hovering flight and learn to fly the dragon with ease! You can change direction in an instant! Dragon Flyer, the electronic dragon from Goliath. Batteries not included.
Neu, Spider-Man Cybercycle und Web Twister. Beide funkferngesteuert und vollgepackt mit Action. Achtung, Hindernis! Kein Problem für den Twister. Schaffst du einen U-Turn mit dem Spider-Man Cybercycle? Wow, cool! Nur noch ein Sprung und dein Gegner ist erledigt. Amazing Spider-Man Cybercycle und Web Twister von Majorette. Jetzt überall, wo es Spielzeug gibt.
Barbie Starlight Adventure Flying RC Hoverboard. Barbie Starlight Adventure movie available now. You can be anything.
Remote control RC RoboFish. Drop them in water, steer your fish right down.
New remote control RoboFish. You can control them and make them swim. Make them dive and twist and shake their fin. They've got two tails, one for agility and one for tricks. So you can flip them just for kicks or steer them through a tricky course. Charge on the controller. It's their battery source. With infrared steering, there is no turn too tight. Switch the rechargeable fish to automatic for bowl mode, pool mode, and cat mode. All right, it's RC RoboFish fun for everyone. RC RoboFish controller and fish tank, each sold separately.
The Doc is in! Doc McStuffins is here to help all your toy friends. Let's go with the RC Doc McStuffins scooter. If your toys are under the weather, the Doc will help them get better. She'll get there fast under your control. Doc McStuffins visits begin with the RC Doc McStuffins scooter from IMC.